Hi friends, welcome to our channel and today Abhinay will tell you urbanization due to pollution. Come, let's hear it.
Hi everybody, now I am going to say you urbanization due to pollution.
Due to urbanization, the bad part about pollution is the factories which create a lot of pollutants. They release smoke into the air, harmful waste into water streams and surrounding lands, and also make a lot of noise because of their emissions. Urbanization is the cause of most of the pollution that there is our environment. How does urbanization cause pollution? Threats in cities, urban growth can lead to the greater poverty with local government unable to provide service for all people. Concentrated energy use leads to the greater air pollution with significant impact on human health. Automobiles exhaust produced elevated leads levels in urban air. What were some of the negative effects of urbanization? This can be influenced by the other negative effects of urbanization like an infilled space of building new house poverty, joblessness, developments of slums, water and sanitary problems, poor health, spreading of disease, traffic congestions, and urban crimes. What are the impacts of urbanization? Wealth is generated in cities, making urbanization a key to economic development. However, urbanization has caused air and water pollution, land degradations, and loss of biodiversity. It forced millions of people to live in slums without clear water, sanitation, and electricity. What are the environmental problems in urbanization? Cities regionally environment problems such as ambitions, air pollution, inadequate water management, and pollutions of rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. Extra urban impact, rural activities such as ecological disruptions and reuse disruptions in cities, hinterland, and emission of acid pressures and greenhouse gas. How does urbanization affect the economy? Urbanize with the rural poor in mind. Projects indicate a more rapid process of urbanization could help boost economic growth of increasing demand among urban business and individual customers of more agricultural product, which in turn contribute to poverty reduction in rural areas. How climate change? Urban growth feeds increased commercial and industrializations, which will increase the use of fossil fuels, and increase in the use of fossil fuels will add to global warming and contributions of climate. What are the environment benefits of urbanization? In cities, property values are higher and space is more used effectively. That means the more people live in the same square mile of the land than in the rural areas. The another environment advantage of cities compared to rural area is decrease to carbon emissions per cities. What are the advantage and disadvantage of urbanization? Benefits of urbanization. Urbanization is not all bad, it has its benefit. Efficiently, cities are often more efficient than rural areas. Less effort is needed to supply basic amenities such as fresh water and electricity. Research and recycling programs are possible only in cities. What are the four advantages of urbanization? Advantage of urbanization. Cities are centers of industries, commerce, transport, innovation, education, technology advance, and jobs. Urban residents in many parts of the world tend to live longer than the rural residents and have lower infant mortality and fertility rates. What is the advantage of urbanization? Growth in trade and commerce. Urbanization helps the national business security. Rural people come to the urban place with their goods. Developments in tourism industries. People like foreign countries are attracted to the good cities and towns having better transport facilities. How does urbanization affect the culture? Urbanization has effects on culture. If you see use of the urbanization, the definition, then a lot of animal have culture. When people stay in urban areas for a long time, then they can be observed by urbanization. Even other cultures, when they go back to their homes, rural areas, they come with these ideas and influence their areas. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks for watching. I hope it was more interesting. If you like this video, please go to like, subscribe and share this video. And please click the bell button so that you will receive all notification of our videos.